Hello everyone, welcome to my second video Spoken English with Dear Ma'am. As I promised you to teach you everything about English, as I saw the basic problem in an interview that a student cannot introduce themselves in English. So, in this video, we will cover about the topic of self-introduction. These 10 points will make your self-introduction simple, easy and powerful. Without wasting the time, let's begin. Number 1, greeting. Hello, good morning, or good afternoon, sir or madam. Number 2, thank them. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Number 3, name. My name is Dr. Sharka Nuri Ansari. Number 4 is age. I am in my 30s. Number 5 is city. I live at Asansol, West Bengal. Number 6, about my education. I have completed my graduation and post graduation from Aligarh Muslim University with first division marks. I have done my PhD doctorate degree from Lalit Narayan Mithila University, Darbhanga, Bihar. Number 7, about experience. I have 10 years of research and teaching experiences, and I have published more than 12 international research papers. I worked as an assistant professor at a B.Ed college. Number 9, about my family. I belong to an educated and nuclear family. Both of my parents were teachers. About my husband worked in Rapid Action Police Force Department. We are educated and progressive family. Number 10, about my hobbies. I love reading books, cooking new dishes from YouTube, and I love to explore the new places. Number 10, about my strength and weaknesses. I'm punctual, self motivated, maintain discipline, quick learner, honest, and practice patience. My weaknesses are I cannot say no when someone asks for help. This is the basic self introduction. This will help you to introduce you professionally. I have plenty of PDF materials for my students and for my YouTube family. If you want to download the PDF material, join the Telegram link in description. If you really like my honest effort, please do support my channel, like, share and subscribe. Write down the 10 points of self-introduction which I mentioned in the comment box below. We will meet in the next video with a new topic. Please take care of yourself. Dear मैम के साथ इंग्लिश में बात